Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of UNN Weekly. Now, for this week, the first week of resumption, which just ended today, there have been a back and forth concerning the school fees, the increment of school fees. Now, according to what we gained during the week, the school authority actually set up a committee with respect to the SUG, Student Union Government, to check on how they can actually write a proposal or a kind of a framework or a kind of a plan or something like that on how they want the school fees to be like. Okay, so the 5-man committee have been spending from Monday till today. They have not come up with anything yet on the draft here. That's what I wanted to use. They have not come up with a draft yet of how the school fees is going to look like. So we are still waiting. Personally, I've not paid my school fees, but we are hoping that they are going to reduce the school fees. But frankly speaking, a lot of people have paid their school fees, and the reason for the payment is due to hostel, because you have to pay your school fees to have to go ahead to register for hostel accommodation. Okay, so that I don't really want to stay in a hostel. I would have wanted to stay in a hostel, but the thing is that the whole deadline for registration of hostel and application of hostel kind of made me use the money for my hostel accommodation and add a few more money, rented a place. And besides, I'm this kind of person that likes my privacy. Hostel would be like a huge leap for me from my kind of very personal life to kind of communal life. Hostel is a very big communal life, and I don't think I am ready for that. So I actually rented a place instead of saving money to pay the school fees and then get the hostel space. So, but now we are still waiting for the 5-man committee to come up with a viable draft on how the school fees should be like. Like I said earlier, this is the end of week 1. So school have resumed and we have exhausted week 1. I don't know how many weeks this semester is going to have, but it scares me, like, because week 1 we have exhausted week 1 and no timetable, no class timetable have been posted yet. No conclusion have been made on the school fees and how to proceed, even though our departmental officer have actually gave us the document for clearance. Should be somewhere in the screen right now, the document for clearance. I'm still yet to get a hold of some of my documents, but you discover that somewhere around the down part, you discover that you have the part where you have to pay the school fees. Okay, so without the school fees, you cannot submit your document or your clearance document. So we are still waiting for us to see if they can actually reduce the school fees so we can start submitting our clearance. So for now, there'll be no clearance, and besides, clearance is not it's not a thing of a week or 2 weeks. I know that according to information coming from my older colleagues, from the older colleagues, I'll call them my older colleagues. The thing is that our departmental, our HOD is trying to make things a little bit easy for us by kind of making things very, very simple for everybody. So it might take like 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, not like the normal 2 months, 3 months kind of clearance processes. Okay, so that is it for this week, the first week of resumption. And I hope that by next week something more tangible is going to surface, like the school fees, the class timetable and other timetables, because this is December 10th. December, is it around December 10th, and because of this particular date, I think December 11th, today is December 11th, and a few more days from today we'll go into Christmas. So we don't really know what is laid out for us. All I know for now is that we're going to have a bond night today, which I would attend. I've actually had few friends that are going to attend, university friends, people that I met on WhatsApp and stuff like that. So we might attend together, or I might attend with my friend Miracle. But for now, there's no information on anything. Okay, I think the few people that were writing their exams are actually done with their last exams as at on 9th, which was actually day 4 yesterday. And if you haven't subscribed, please care to click on the subscription button, because a subscription goes a long way in, number 1, motivating me, and then number 2, making other people that are actually looking for content like this to find my channel. Okay, it's because from your subscription, that is how YouTube kind of feel like, okay, this guy is saying the right thing, this guy is doing the right thing. So people that are actually looking for information like this one, okay, look at this information, and if they like it, they watch it. It actually comes from you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for returning, for my returning subscribers. You're my family, okay? You actually, I think for the first time in a very long time in my life, I actually feel like people really care, and you make me feel cared for, okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.